Hi, this is Corey Stack here. I just read on this morning's paper. I think it's very concerning that a report an independent report issued by KPMG on data centres was has to be significantly altered because of pressure by government departments to present a more positive narrative about data centres. And I think this is a major issue. We are the taxpayers paying for people like KPMG to do work on behalf of the state, for the state, and then the government are pressurising to present a more positive version or vision of data centres, which is absolute manipulation and should not be allowed to occur. And it is an English newspaper, the Daily Mail, that's carrying the story. I noticed it's not on any of the other stories, but it just shows you this is happening with one independent, and they are genuinely very reputable, KPMG, highly reputable, and yet they were allegedly coerced into manipulating that report to present a more positive narrative about data centres. As you know, I have a lot of I think AI has a lot of benefits, but this kind of manipulation is grossly unacceptable because it is deceiving the taxpayers, who are ultimately the people who are the masters, as I'm trying to highlight in my constitutional challenge. But here again, how many times has it happened over and over again? These so-called independent reports are being manipulated allegedly to give a false narrative or a narrative which supports the government policy on this and which is not truthful in essence. And then these people are forced to do it because they won't be paid otherwise. I mean, this is completely unacceptable behaviour allegedly by the government concerned.